Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install cleanroom door and window. Let's get started. First, we draw a line on the ground. This way the wall panels can be placed in the exact position along the line. According to the position of the line, place the button track on the ground, drill holes, and install expansion screws. Before installing the wall, place the panel on the button track and put the connection joint in the middle. The double-layer window is heavy and requires 2 people to move it. Place connection joint on the window and the edge of the wall panel and install the window upper panel. It takes 2 people to lift the wall panel and assemble it next to the window. Fix the wall panels with screws on the button track. A vertical corner installs at the corner. An exterior column connector is placed at the bottom. Connect another wall panel to the vertical corner. 2 wall panels that secure the corners. Then we start installing the door frame. Assemble the door frames with connectors. This process may take a lot of time, but it must be installed carefully to ensure that the door frame is flat. Then tighten it with the hexagonal screw. After assembly is completed, place the door frame into the reserve position. Connection joint is placed between the door frame and the wall panel. If the connection joint is too long and inconvenient to install, you can cut it into 2 small pieces as shown in the video. Secure the door frame with screws. The last step is to install the aluminum strip on the door frame. Hang the HPL door on the hinges and the HPL door installation is complete. Install the base support of the corner profile with screws. After installing the 3D corner, temporarily fix their position with short corner profile. Formally installing the long corner profile, please note that the temporary fixed short corner profile needs to be removed. Fix the door protector to the edge of the door frame with silicone.